tutorial. Today I'm going to show y'all how to do a Tunisian lattice stitch in crochet. This is a pretty cute little pattern. I like the little diagonal lines that it makes. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started. So to start, we need to create a foundation chain, and you need to make it in a multiple of 4 plus 2. So for this tutorial, I'm going to make 14 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Now we want to go to the second chain from our hook, and remember, we never count the one on the hook, so 1, 2. So right there, I'm going to insert my hook, grab the yarn, and pull it through. And that puts a loop on our hook. So we're going to do that in all the remaining chains. So we should end up with 14 loops, the same as the number of chains in our foundation chain. So here's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Now we're going to yarn over, pull through 1, and then yarn over, pull through 2, and we'll just keep pulling through 2 until we reach the end of the row. So over, 2, 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 and 2, 2, and our last 2. That creates a lot of vertical stitches, which we'll need to start our pattern. So we're going to skip this first vertical stitch because you never really work into it. So insert your hook into the second one, grab the yarn, pull up a loop. Repeat that in the next 2. So we're going under it, grabbing a loop, pulling it up, under, yarn over, pull through. Now we're going to insert our hook into the next 3, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, insert our hook back into those same 3 stitches, grab your yarn, pull it through, and in your next one just do 1, and that'll be the pattern for this row. So you're working in 3, then 1, 3, and 1. So all right, now we're back to doing 3, so we're going to insert our hook into the next 3, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, insert back into the same 3, yarn over, pull through. Now if I had more stitches, I would just do 1 and 3, but since I'm at the end of my row, I'm just going to pull 1 loop up in the last 3. So there's 1 loop, 1 loop, and 1 loop. Now we want to go back and count and make sure we've got 14 loops. So there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, and 4. And just like before, we're going to yarn over, pull through 1, and then back to pulling through 2. So yarn over, through 2, over, through 2, over, 2, over, 2, over 2, over 2, over 2, and 2, 2, 2, 2, and 2. Okay, so for this row, we're going to do a single loop in that second vertical stitch. And now we're back to doing 3 and 1. So insert your hook under the next 3 stitches, grab your yarn, pull it through, yarn over, reinsert your hook into the next 3, or the same 3 rather. Grab your yarn and pull it through. Now, because of the 3, you got a stitch that kind of hides from you, so your next vertical stitch isn't this one that's very visible, it's the one hiding behind it. See how there's like a little one hiding behind it? That's the one you're going to do your single one into. So while you're doing this, just know that in between those 2 really prominent ones is your little hidden one. All right, so now that I've got my single, I'm back to doing 3. So 1, 2, 3, yarn over, pull through them, yarn over, reinsert into the same 3, yarn over, pull through, do a single one in that little hidden one, then we're back to 3, so 1, 2, 3, yarn over, pull through 3, yarn over, insert into the same 3, yarn over, pull through 3, and when you get to the end of the row, just do a single loop in that last little stitch, then count your loops, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, and 4. Then just like before, we're going to yarn over, pull through 1, and then you're back to pulling through 2. So yarn over, pull through 2, over, 2, over, 2. So see, this is a pretty simple little pattern. You just got to be aware of that little stitch that tries to hide on you. So anyway, pulling through 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and 2. So you can start seeing your little horizontal lines, or diagonal lines rather, start seeing them come through. But anyway, y'all, that's the pattern. You just keep repeating rows 3 through 6 until you reach your desired height. And when you get done, to finish it out, you just want to do a single crochet across the top. So in every vertical stitch, you just insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through both loops. And when you get done, you end up with 1 less than all the loops. So if you're getting 14 loops like I did, you'll end up with 13 single crochets. So into the next one, here's 2. That little hitty one there. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. And 13. So see, pretty simple, y'all. So anyway, I hope y'all have enjoyed this tutorial, and if so, please subscribe to the channel for more nifty tutorials and patterns. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time.